So how can you install the Google Sheets app on the iPhone? And let's explain that and let's begin. So if this is your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So the Google Sheets can naturally be used within like different applications. For example, in the Google Drive, when you click on the plus to create it, you can go to the Google Sheets right away. But you can see that it has to like be installed on your device, and you can add it by, of course, going to the App Store, which is the blue icon with the A on it, which you use to download all of your applications. And there, literally look up the Google Sheets like that. Make sure you click on the download button, the get button, authenticate yourself by double pressing the power button to scan your face, and then the app will be installed. So you can start using the Google Sheets. It's a great application, right? And it's just there to create some, spreadsheets and work with your Google files. So once you get inside, make sure that you are also signed in with your Google account. It's kind of important as well. You want to have your account synced with all of the projects and the things you're working on. So that's how you can install it on the iPhone. It's not that big of a deal. So if you have something very specific, like, some more questions regarding this software, let me know about that. It's likely I'll make an updated video about this as well, but stay tuned for more by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos too.